The Sure CPS heavy-duty sock anchor system is a fully engineered technical solution for strengthening masonry and repairing cracked or delaminated stonework. Available in standard and bespoke lengths to cater for any job, the HDS sock anchor system stabilizes and secures all types of masonry, with minimal disruption, to ensure a strong, durable and flexible repair. During installation, appropriate personal protective equipment should always be worn. Mark the entry points as specified by the engineer and drill to the correct length using either a core drill or an SDS Max hammer drill. Ensure all debris is removed from the holes using a suitable air pump. Then spray with clean water to maximize grout adhesion and facilitate a gradual and even cure. Screw the blanking plug into the end of the first HDS anchor, then insert into the hole. Additional component lengths are then added by simply screwing them together. Once the required length is achieved, fit the supplied hose. To mix the grout, add the appropriate amount of water first, then the powder and mix well, using a paddle until a very fluid but creamy uniform consistency is created. Always maintain the correct working ratio, as per the manufacturer's instructions. Pour the mix into a pneumatic grout gun, connected to a compressor, set to a maximum of 3 bar pressure. Once ready to fill, slip a clamp over the exposed hose, then push fit the steel pipe into the open end. Switch on the compressor and proceed with pumping. The HDS sock anchor system is backfilled, expanding the reinforced mesh sock to completely fill any voids, providing a permanent cementitious fixing to the surrounding masonry. When the sock has been fully inflated, milk grout gently runs from the anchor, indicating that it's full. Maintaining the pressure at this stage forces the milk grout further into the surrounding material and minimizes shrinkage. As it cures, the high-performance grout firmly secures the helical bars to create a single structural entity that resists shear, compressive and tensile forces. After a few minutes, fasten the clamp before turning off the compressor. It's advisable to remove the hose from the threaded tube 2 to 3 hours after installation. Wash any excess grout off with clean water. Then fill the holes with Sure-Fill flexible pointing mortar and colour match the masonry with Sure Stain. The HDS sock anchor system has been designed and formulated for use in all masonry types, including cavity construction, and has been fully tested at the Imperial College London. Eliminate the need for unsightly patras plates and strengthen masonry with the only site-assembled solution on the market today. Give yourself a twist of assurance with the Sure CPS heavy-duty sock anchor system. Fast, easy and cost-effective. Get in touch or visit our website to find out more.